Today we're going to be unboxing the weBoost Office 200. This happens to be the 75 ohm version, but the 50 ohm version is identical other than the kind of cable that you get. This is one serious cell booster. This is for a business. You'd really have to have a very large home if you wanted to use it at home. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and then in a future video I'm going to show you how to install everything. The box itself is nothing special. I find it a little odd that it has a picture of a cell phone on it when it really doesn't have a cell phone within it. But the hope is that, you'll buy one online, especially at Solid Signal, so you won't really care that it's not retail ready packaging. That's kind of the point there. It does show you a bunch of things, however. There's also, the typical packing material in there. That's the first thing you got to get rid of. But take a look at these cables. Nice, big, chunky RG11 cables, and you get two nice long lengths of them, plus you get this small connector as well. You get a bunch of little boxes in there. These are off-the-shelf parts that are used to build this kit, and the use of off-the-shelf parts doesn't bother me at all because they work. Let's take a look at them individually though. First of all, you get a bunch of cable clips that are suitable for RG11. These are big, meaty cable clips too. Good stuff. In this box, you get something really important. They call it a surge protector. It really isn't a lightning arrestor. It's not going to stop lightning from getting through, but it is going to help you properly ground the system. And you know that I'm a big fan of grounding. You get this adapter, which allows you to use the antenna with the N connector. Even though you're using cables with an F connector, you get this very nice outdoor antenna and all of the mounting hardware that you need to put it on pretty much any mast. This looks like a big intimidating box, but the truth is it's not. This is the indoor antenna, and it's just in a big box with a lot of space in it because of the way it's shaped. The unique shape of this antenna lets you put it in a suspended ceiling, and really only that big plastic circle part shows. The rest of it is under the suspended ceiling. Really kind of cool. You also get these clear plastic bits which are designed to help you mount in specific situations. Saving the best for last, this is the actual booster itself. This is the part that does all the work. Needless to say, you're going to get some instructions. You're going to get a power adapter that comes with the thing. Fairly standard affair there. But you're also going to get this booster. This is a really great looking piece. First of all, nice and heavy, which means it's made of metal. It's just not, kind of fake plasticky looking thing. And when you get it open, you'll see it really is. It's not only just a hard worker, but it's also pretty darn attractive. And it even comes with a code that you can scan to automatically register it with weBoost so that you get your warranty. Just from the point of view of what you get inside the box, it's very clear this is professional quality equipment. You're going to be glad that you spent the extra money, because if your entire business depends on whether or not you get great cell service, you need something like this weBoost Office 200. It's available now at solidsignal.com. And if you have any questions, give us a call. 877-312-4547.